A very good morning, Zimbabwe. Mamukase. So this morning I'm coming with sad news. Citizens Coalition for Change youth leader Cde Nhende is reportedly in pain at this moment in time after he was allegedly abducted by suspected state security agents. And according to this official handle, they say our task force organizer, Comrade Nwombe, has been abducted heavily, beaten, injected, and dumped in Mapinga. We condemn the continued violence by ZANU-PF official and state operatives. Peace is fragile. Let's all jealously guide it. This is what they had to say, and I've seen this on various or on multiple Triple C affiliated platforms. Okay, I'm trying to bring somewhere where there is a picture or there are pictures. Okay, these are some of the pictures here of the brutality. It shows kuti akazvambaradzwa zvekurevesa chaizvo, something we do not expect it to see happening in our nation. We just ended these elections, and you're claiming that you won elections. Why are you doing this to critics? Why are you doing this to the people you say you have defeated? Those are the important questions. So, honestly speaking, Team Zimbabwe, this is not fair. I hope and believe that justice one day will take place, because you cannot brutalize others like this. You cannot dehumanize others like this. It's said that we have to go through such horrible situations and experiences. Okay, zvikanzi get well soon soldier, zvikanzi I think after prayers we can use our spiritual energy to defend our people and space. The beatings are too many. Okay, zvikanzi share his details. Okay, these are people want to assist. Zvikanzi panapa amene kutoya achidaro zvikanzi hanzi panapa, how do you know ZANU-PF? Ndabvunza usanituka vadiki vane mhandu dzavo. Okay, if you want to see kuti it's ZANU-PF, check how this matter will be investigated. The matter won't be investigated. No arrests will be made. Look at how Joanna Mamombe, Cecilia Chimbiri, and Netsaimarova were subjected to torture. Soon after that, they were arrested and put to trial and even convicted by the magistrates court, only for the conviction to be set aside by the High Court. Look at all those issues and ask, Diana Nengaita issues, and you'll find a clearer answer. So it's said that we have people from the ruling elites who believe in violence, who believe that they have to resolve through violence and through other unlawful means. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. I've just decided to come with this story, with this issue. It pains me to see our comrades in such state. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.